So a while back, YouTube demonetized me, meaning they are not paying me ad revenue anymore. So let's break down why this happened and my plans on how to get my monetization back. All right, so let's break down the qualifications that you have to meet to be able to be monetized on YouTube. And there's a few different levels. The level that I'm going to address right now is actually making money off of the ads that play before, during, and after your video. So to be able to make ad revenue off of YouTube, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days. Now, if you haven't hit that 4,000 watch hours, you can also have 10 million views on shorts in the last 90 days. So if you meet this criteria, you can officially be monetized and share the ad revenue from YouTube. They'll send it to you every single month. You get a direct deposit into your account as long as you've made $100 in that month. Now, if you haven't made $100 in that month, it'll just roll over into your next month. And then once you get to $100 cumulative, then they will deposit it into your bank account. Now, this is where my problem started. Is obviously I have 1,000 subscribers, more than 1,000 subscribers. I hit that a while ago, and I was monetized and making money off of YouTube. But because of life circumstances, the company that I worked for actually sold to private equity, and my job got extremely busy, and I wasn't able to post as much as I would like to. And my watch hours started to decline. And it got to the point where I had less than 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days, which drops me below their monetization threshold, and I was officially demonetized. What's been cool though is even though I haven't been posting as much as I would like, my subscriber count is actually grown even when I haven't been posting. So props to those who have subscribed. And if you haven't, smash that button for me. It helps the channel. I'm excited to actually help people learn personal finance tips. And that's the whole reason I do this channel, is to help people ditch financial stress. All right, so to be monetized, I have to break that 4,000 watch hours in a year threshold again. That way YouTube will actually want to share with me again because I am actually posting and being consistent. It's my opinion that YouTube loves consistency. They want to see people post consistently because then viewers come back to watch their favorite people, their favorite channels, and then obviously YouTube can go and sell ads, which makes them more money, which I do not blame them for wanting to make money, and they want to make money off of consistent posting of videos by their content creators. I love to make money as well. I want to make money to be able to help other people, to help my family, to raise my children, all of those things. So I do not fault them for it, but now it's my plan to post more videos. So I want to do a long form video at least once a week, and I'm going to put out a series of shorts as well to help spread the good news of financial freedom and to help people out. Plus, I am a huge believer that you cannot help other people unless you help yourself first. And I love generosity. I love being able to help people monetarily as well. And I hope I can inspire some people to do the same. So hopefully by subscribing to my channel, listening to some financial tips, you can put your family in a good financial situation and then use any excess funds that you have to go and bless the lives of other people, because I believe that is what God wants for all of his children. He wants us to help one another. So I look forward to interacting with all of you in the near future. I try my best to respond to every single comment that's on this video. So if you have any questions or anything that you want to learn financially, hit me up in the comment section and we'll talk to you later.